Okay, so today we're going to learn how to put a design from your memory stick into the memory of the machine. So at the back of this machine on the control panel, there are two USB ports. It doesn't matter which one you put it in, just put it into one. Then we go to the design button. So can you see here we're lit up. There are two USB ports on the back, so we're in USB 1. So we touch that. And as you can see, my memory sticks show me that I've got 5 pages worth of designs on here, and we're on page 1. So I'll just go on to the next page. For instance, just this nice little design here. So I've touched it, and some information's come up on this side. So the design is called 58E. There's 7,701 stitches, and it is 58.4mm on the across direction, and it is 45mm on the depth. Okay, so we want to put that into the memory of the machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press copy, and it's asking me if I want to save it. I want to save it. So there we go. Now if we go over here, right, so now you can see that this design is in the memory of the machine. So I want to select it, and there it is, all the information. It's just a 2-colour design. This is the size. I'm going to load it. So now that's in the machine. You can also select the colours here. So we're going to be going gold for the crown, I think, and then now the background, which is going to be the next bit, we're going to do grey. Okay, so if we have a preview, that's what it should look like when it's sewn out. So we have now got the design up on screen. And this little box here, as we mentioned before, gives you the size of the design. So it's 58.4mm on the X, and it's 45 on the height. Okay, so we've programmed in the first colour is going to be whatever colour is on needle 1, which is the gold, and the second colour is going to be the grey, which is on needle 7. So we want to make sure that the design is going to fit into the frame, which by the sizes here, we know it will fit in that. It's a 15cm frame, but we'll just do a trace. We'll do an outline one. So you can see what it's doing. It's just doing an outline one. This is the longer, it's called an outline trace. This one is the really quick one. It just does a square. So off we go. There we go. So we know it fits in the frame. Here it's telling us that the design is going to take 10 minutes to embroider out at the speed we've got it at. This is the bit that will show us how many minutes that the design has been sewn out. These are the speed buttons. You can make it go faster or slow it down. You can do that while the design is stitching out, so don't be afraid to do that. And then we just press start. Okay, so the design's now finished. So using his thumbs there, push up from underneath, pull forward to get the frame off the machine, and then there's the finished design. Obviously that'll be steamed and the backing will be taken off the back, but there's one finished design. So that's the design out of the hoop. Now on this design I've actually used an 80 gram backing, which is a cutaway backing. So what you would do is you get your backing, hold it like that, the garment facing you, and cut as close as you can. The reason I've said have it that way and not that way is because you can actually see where the garment is there. So you won't accidentally cut the garment while you're cutting away. And there we are. Apart from the steaming, one finished embroidery design.